There is a few ways that Acuity can help you better manage your schedule and make sure that you have plenty of buffer within your work schedule by limiting appointment availability. So if we go here to availability, we're going to just do this. This is actually a group of appointments that I don't really use. So you just click here to edit availability. So first of all, you can pick what days you're available. So from 10 to 4, anybody can book an appointment of this particular appointment type. So that's one way to better control your schedule using Acuity. You can also go over here to calendar scheduling limits. And so this doesn't allow calendars to schedule fewer than 24 hours in advance. You can make that anything you want. I personally really like the 24 hours because I want to know what is happening the next day. I don't want to wake up. For instance, if you only had like 12 hours here, if somebody for whatever reason book at 1 a.m., then you have that appointment the next day at 1 p.m., right? So I don't want that to happen in my schedule. I like to know exactly how my day looks before my day starts. And then the other way is you can actually accept maximum number of appointments. So you can do maximum hours per day, maximum numbers per day, or maximum numbers per week. So for instance, for my smooth operations audit, I will only do 2 of those per week. So I have that particular appointment set to only do 2 per week because there's a lot of follow-up work that needs to be done with that particular type of appointment. The other thing you can do is actually go to the appointment type. We're going to go down to one I'm not using. And here you can set buffers. I have where it's 15 minutes before any meeting and 60 minutes after this appointment. So that means across of Acuity, it will take into consideration that I'm busy 15 minutes before this appointment and 60 minutes after this appointment. So that way I don't have any appointments back to back. So I have plenty of time to process for that particular appointment. Those are just a few ways that you can automate having buffers and controlling your schedule using a tool like Acuity.